Do you know the correct answer of question 1? Dr. Manik Saha was sworn in as the Chief Minister of which Indian state in 2023? Option A Tripura, Option B Meghalaya, Option C Mizoram, Option D Assam. Correct answer Tripura. Notes Dr. Manik Saha was sworn in as the Chief Minister of the state of Tripura for the second term. The BJP won 32 seats while its ally IPFT got 1 seat in the assembly polls conducted. The TIPRA Motha, a regional party headed by Pradyot Kishore Debbarma, emerged as the main opposition party, securing 13 seats. Do you know the correct answer of question 2? Which city was the host of the second meeting of Global Partnership for Financial Inclusion? Option A Chennai, Option B Mumbai, Option C Hyderabad, Option D Bengaluru. Correct answer C Hyderabad. Notes the second meeting of Global Partnership for Financial Inclusion GPFI under G20 India Presidency concluded in Hyderabad. The two-day meeting was led by GPFI Company Chair and G20 India Presidency and saw participation from Ministry of Finance and Central Bank representatives from G20 and non-G20 countries and international organizations. Do you know the correct answer of question 3? Salhotonu Cruiser made history by becoming the first woman cabinet minister of which state? Option A Sikkim, Option B Nagaland, Option C Jharkhand, Option D Bihar. Correct answer B Nagaland. Notes Nagaland's first woman minister Salhotonu Cruiser assumes office on Women's Day Eve. Salhotonu Cruiser made history by becoming Nagaland's first woman minister. The birth in the Nagaland cabinet led by Naipuro came 5 days after she and Hekani Jakhalu were elected as the first women MLAs of the state. Both represent the Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party (NDPP). Do you know the correct answer of question 4? Which union ministry launched the Swachhotsav women-led cleanliness campaign? Option A Ministry of Women and Child Development, Option B Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Option C Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development, Option D Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer B Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Notes Swachhotsav, a 3-week-long women-led cleanliness campaign under the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0, has been launched by Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri. It aims to recognize and celebrate the shift from women in sanitation to women-led sanitation. The Women Icons Leading Sanitation Waste Management Wins Challenge 2023 was also announced during the launch event. Do you know the correct answer of question 5? Which institution introduced the global greenhouse gas monitoring infrastructure? Option A World Bank, Option B WEF, Option C IMF, Option D WMO. Correct answer D WMO. Notes the World Meteorological Organization WMO has introduced the global greenhouse gas monitoring infrastructure. It aims to provide standardized and real-time tracking of greenhouse gases. The new platform integrates space-based and surface-based observing systems to improve the measurement of planet warming pollution and inform policy decisions.